Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake Oreo. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch pan. Start by crushing Oreo cookies into fine crumbs and set aside a few for topping. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time. Fold in flour, baking powder, and milk alternately. Stir in Oreo crumbs gently and pour into the pan to bake now. Working with the batter is simple and forgiving, and I'll walk you through each step in a friendly way. Use room temperature butter and eggs to help everything combine smoothly. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk to maintain a light texture. Mix Oreo crumbs in gently so you keep pockets of cookie in the cake. Pour batter evenly into the pan and tap to remove air bubbles before baking. Timing and cooling are key to a great cake Oreo, and I'll keep it casual and clear. Check the cake at 25 minutes and test with a toothpick for moist crumbs, not wet batter. Let the cake cool slightly in the pan so it holds shape, then finish cooling on a rack. Frost with chocolate or cream cheese and sprinkle reserved Oreo crumbs for texture and extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.